Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this episode, let me present you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 28th April 2022. Very important trading day, the expiry day for the current week. So let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using the content for trading, always take the help of investment professional. So those who are new to opening demat accounts and trading accounts, I suggest you to open the accounts in Upstock, a leading stockbroker and a trustworthy broker. The link for opening the account is in the description box. So first of all, let me come to the charts of Nifty Bank and Nifty. So let me concentrate on the Nifty Bank chart. The pivot is around 35,989. So market is way above the pivot level. Today markets were almost in a trading range. So now they have already taken out the important resistance, that is 36,231. So there is a chance that Bank Nifty may go as high as 36,416. That will be the major resistance next. So if the market do not sustain and trade below 36,231, there is a chance that at the end of expiry we may have a level of 36,017. So we may have a fall of another 200 to 300 points from that level. So what is your expiry trade now? You can buy on dips. Yeah, if it only breaks 36,231, there is no trade. But if it is sustaining above 36,231, you can buy Bank Nifty for a target of 36,416 for the expiry. So moving ahead, let me come to the Nifty chart, all important chart for Nifty for the expiry. So it is similar to Bank Nifty. You can see currently it is at around 17,000. Let me make it very clear, 17,234 now. It is above the important resistance, that is 17,186. Okay, so next important level for Nifty today is 17,336. So on dips to 17,186, you can buy Nifty for a target of 17,336. That's the best strategy for you today. If it is trading below 17,186, one candle below it, so you can sell Nifty for a target of 17,111. So both are possible, but the probability of market going higher is larger. So therefore, on dips above 17,186, you buy for a target of 17,336. Okay, so that is the all important Bank Nifty and Nifty levels. So next we will proceed to open interest positions. Okay, so if I am coming to the open interest positions, okay, you can see the highest put build up. Let me concentrate. So that is at around 17,100. So 17,000 on the lower side. Then you can see also there is a put build up at around 17,200. The highest put build up is around 1,700. Now market is above 17,200. So highest call is around 17,200. So maximum pain, if you see, maximum pain is around this level. So this is the maximum pain. So we can anticipate that this call buyers, they will not allow the market to go beyond 17,200. So anything, if the market is trading below 17,200, it is better to sell. Yeah, if it is above that, there is a chance that Nifty can move higher. So now let me come to the change in open interest positions. Yeah, change in open interest. Yeah, updated now on your screen. What is happening in change in open interest is highest change has taken place at around yes, I want to show it very clearly. So you can see 17,200. So highest change in put. So will be a strong support. So many people have purchased put 17,200, 1,700, 17,000. All three levels people purchased put. And you can see calls maximum is at around 17,250. So no chance, market cannot go beyond 17,250 today, because that will be the strong resistance, because calls are built. Okay, next let me come to the all important FII data. FIIs were net sellers yesterday. Okay, DIs, they were buyers, they are supporting the market. FIIs were big sellers. So now let me come to the all important derivatives data. Derivatives data will be on my screen now. You can see there are three types. First let me start with the FIIs with yellow color marking. So FIIs. So what happened to FIIs? FIIs are okay, they have taken put long. Yeah. Then future index they are long. They are hedging in future index, but put they are long, suggesting that market will go lower. And also option index call they have shorted. Both are indicating that market will be lower. And let me come to the professional traders. Professional traders, their put and calls are all matched, so they are not giving any indication. Now what come to the retailers? Market always goes against the retailers. So you can see retailers are loading. Okay, retailers are loading. Okay, so therefore market can go lower, because it will be always against the retailers. So this is the analysis of client wise positions. So that's all for the day. All important expiry trade. So therefore today if you are trading, you have to be very cautious. 17,250 will be on the upper side. 17,200 will be a maximum pain level. If it breaks that, it can market can go lower. So this is the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the expiry day. Thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And those who are not opened Demat accounts, I have provided the link of Upstock, a leading stockbroker, in the description box. Thank you.